One more time. Are you ready? Yeah. All right. 1, 2, 3. Go! Did you hear that, Dawson Creek? No way. Didn't think so. Okay. Dawson Creek, do you think you can be louder? All right. Let's see. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, well, since neither of you seem to have heard each other, we're gonna have a little, and that is, okay, now Jake, why do you keep doing this to me? Okay, that is 4 points. Okay, so that means Andrew needs to get a bullseye to win this one. Let's see. Wait. That is a bullseye! Very nice. All right, who wants the side prize? Choppers ready? 1, 2, go. And there we go. There it is. Go. Go. And Spruce Mill winning that one. Very nice. 1, 2, go. Get those hands together, get those feet jumping, and let's get rolling.